What we're taking home is that Denmark don't want to stop anywhere in terms of the value chain of waste treatment works. Even when they get to the end, they add energy, they add contribution to the climate change. So their value chain is literally endless, and they make good out of everything.
This really provides a very good example for us to take back and to show and to showcase and to encourage that we are able to get to a point and be in a position like this in years to come.
What came across very strongly when we came to visit the officials from Aarhus is the role of collaboration and transversal planning. The coming together of different departments, different people with different disciplines, sitting around a table, looking at a problem collectively, and then coming up with the best solutions. And a lot of these solutions are about promoting green infrastructure. And I think this is a very important message for us in South Africa.